Hello everyone. I'm going to go ahead and do NF 5.7C, Dividing Fractions, Benchmark Practice 1. I will be doing a lesson, so just stay tuned for that. I apologize if you hear Moana on the background, but we're going to go ahead and get to it. So number 1 says, Mr. Morales has 1/5 of a book of stickers left to divide among 10 of his students. He wants to give each student an equal number of stickers. Enter the number of stickers each student will receive. So remember, the acronym I've given you, SOAR. When we divide fractions, it's SOAR. Well, what's being divided? The 1/5 is being divided, okay? And it's going to be divided among 10 students. So the S stands for same, so 1/5 stays the same. The O stands for opposite. The opposite of division is multiplication. And the R stands for reciprocal, which is the number flipped. So what is the reciprocal of 10? It's 1/10. Oop. Looks like I'm having slight technical difficulty. Give me a second. So it's going to be 1/5 times 1/10. And then from there we just multiply. Numerator times numerator, 1 times 1 is 1. Denominator times denominator, 5 times 10 is 50. 1/50 is our final answer. Number 2, Danielle has 3 hours to bake as many batches of cookies as she can. If each batch takes 1/3 of an hour, how many batches will she be able to bake? So it takes her 3 hours to do that. And she's going to be dividing that time, the 3 hours, because each hour is 1/3. Okay, so it's asking how many batches is she going to have? So you have 3 hours that's being divided for each batch. Okay, so it's like, okay, how many batches will she do? She do 1/3 an hour. So remember, same, opposite, reciprocal. The 3 hours is being divided. It's her time that's being divided, not the batch. So 3 stays the same. Opposite of division is multiplication. And the reciprocal is 3/1 or 3. And 3 times 3 is 9. She'll be able to have 9 batches. That's our final answer. All right, let's go ahead and let's do number 3. Julie has half a pizza left over. She wants to take an equal amount of the leftover pizza to school for lunch for 4 days. So the pizza is being divided into 4 days. And let's remember, same, opposite, reciprocal. 1/2, the half a pizza staying the same. Opposite division is multiplication. And the reciprocal of 4 is 1/4. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 4 is 8. She will take 1/8 of the half a pizza every day. So she'll take 1/8 of the pizza every day for the next 4 days. And that will be divided evenly. All right, we got 2 more problems and we're going to be done. Number 4, Rochelle has a half a pound of chocolate. She divides that half a pound of chocolate into 6 equal portions. So the half a pound is being divided by 6. So same, 1/2 stays the same. Opposite of division is multiplication. Reciprocal is 1/6. 1 times 1 is 1. 6 times 2 is 12. 1/12 is our final answer. Remember to write SOAR above each problem. Okay, that's going to help you remember what stays the same, what's the opposite, what's the reciprocal. Okay, it's very important that you do that. You guys know this too, because when we used to do it, some of you would not write SOAR above every problem, then you'd come over with the wrong problem. And you need to ask yourself, what's being divided? In number 3, it's the pizza. In number 4, it's the chocolate. Okay? And number 2, it's the time. The 3 hours that's being divided. That's how much time she has to bake. All right? So let's do number 5. How much cheese will each person get if 5 people share 1/3 a pound of cheese equally? What's being divided? The 5 people or the cheese? It's the cheese. So the cheese is being divided by 5. Same, opposite, reciprocal. So 1/3 stays the same because that represents the amount of cheese that's left over. Opposite of division is multiplication, and the reciprocal is 1/5. Instead of 5, it's 1/5. Now we multiply. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 5 is 15. Each person's going to get 1/15 left of the cheese, or 1/15 pound of cheese. All right, you guys, that's it. Please let me know if you have any questions. We will be doing a lesson this week. Thank you for watching, and you have a good one.